car, Demolition Derby. 1087 Shane Beers, 430 Ben Johnson, 918 Nick Overwick, 13A Josh Monroe, number 4 Darren Mills. Five car Demolition Derby. Under the count, Nick Overwick out of Lindsay, sponsored by Alex Overwick and Sun Masonry. We are down to four-car Demolition Derby. Beers, Monroe, Johnson, and Mills. A four-car of Darren Mills with a big hit on the 1087 of Shane Beers. As he goes back to front with the 430 Ben Johnson, sponsored by Gina Masters, Royal LePage Soul. Fourth place is going to Josh Monroe. We are down to 3. Beers, Mills, Johnson. 1087 under the count. At the south end of the track. Count is on the 4-car of Darren Mills. We got a black flag finished up in 3rd position. It's going to be Shane Beers. Competitive hit on the 430 Ben Johnson. The child is fired up and here he comes on the return. With a big hit on the 4-car of Warren Mills. Now goes on Darren Mills. Now you're going to see the flag official wave the 430 car off to get some space to the number 4. He's going to make a competitive hit. Pushing and shoving isn't hitting Warren. Darren Mills and the number 4 in there, tough with the 430 of Ben Johnson. And on the attack one more time, the child throwing him into the block. Cat and mouse going on, but Darren, you gotta be the cat. Ben is all over you in that 430 car. Trying to find an area to make contact. Now Johnston goes on the run.